Welcome back, chefs. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish off our shredded chicken enchiladas. So with the remaining sauce, you just kind of wanna pour it over the top. We will take a rubber spatula and just kind of take the back of the spatula and spread your enchilada sauce. You don't need a lot because it's already coated within both the filling and the outside of the tortillas. So you want just enough so it can bubble and make it nice and flavorful when it cooks. Once you're done with that, you can tap that off, set that aside, and then we're gonna put our remaining cheese on. So we can just kind of sprinkle it into the middle and then sprinkle it around the outside. So just make sure that the whole top layer of your enchiladas is covered. And then if you have any extra cilantro on hand, it's kind of fun just to decorate it and place some on the top. Now you're gonna wanna preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You'll cook this for about 30 to 35 minutes. Then let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes and you'll be able to serve it. And we'll be back for that. Ready, go, chefs.